TikTok is one of the best short media platform that you can use or you can create content in it. To unprivate your TikTok account, you have to launch the TikTok app on your device. Now tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. In your profile, tap the three lines or the gear settings to open the menu. Now in the menu, tap on settings and privacy. Under the account section, you have to tap on privacy. Now at the top of the privacy page, you will see one option labeled private account with toggle switch. If the toggle switch is turned off, you have to turn it off, which will convert your private account to public account. Now your account will not be private anymore. TikTok may show a confirmation prompt asking if you are sure about making your account public. You have to confirm your decision. Okay, this is done. Your TikTok account will be unprivate, meaning anyone can view your content and follow you. I'll see you in the next one.